you guys, this is Shan and welcome to MyCuriousCrafts. In today's video, we're going to be making bows. Why? Because it's Bow Wednesday. Yes, absolutely. Let's get started. Okay, so here is a quick snapshot of the supplies that we're going to be using for today's bow. So let's get started. We're going to use 3 ribbons in this bow today, and this is ribbon number 1, and I have 12-inch tails, and I'm going to measure 6-inch loops, and I'm going to have 4 of those loops. So here you see me measuring out to 6 on the EZ Bowmaker, and I'm going to bring it through the dowels, and I'm going to twist. This ribbon is kind of loose. It's not very stiff, but we're going to get it done. It's going to look really pretty. Measure out to 6, bring it through the dowels, twist. We're going to get it straightened out here. It's a little bit tangled. You can still work with it. It's not a big deal. Last time, measure out to 6, bring it through the dowels. We're going to let our tail come down. We're going to snip it off. So once again, as a recap, we have 4 6-inch loops on this bow. We're using this ribbon number 1. Okay, ribbon number 2, we're going to have 12-inch tails again, and we're going to have 5-inch loops. We're going to have 1 on each side. This ribbon is from Dollar Tree. I'm not fond of it. It's good for wrapping things with, but it's not so good for bow making. We're going to make it work, but it's not so good. So I would suggest that you would go out and get you a khaki colored or a burlap ribbon. I have some, so next time we'll definitely be using that as opposed to this Dollar Tree ribbon. It's not good for this. Okay, here we go. Ribbon number 3, 10-inch tails and 4-inch loops, and we're going to have 4 of those, 2 on each side, and we're going to call her done. So you guys, if you're liking what I'm doing so far, please give the video a like. It will really help my channel out, and I'd greatly appreciate that. So measure out to 10. We're going to pinch, put it through the dowels, and we're going to measure out to 4 for our first 4-inch loop. We're going to bring that back through the dowels, twist again, measure out to 4 again, pull it back through the dowel, and we're going to twist. Each time we come through the dowels, we twist to get the pretty side up. And we're going to measure out to 4 again on this side. And we're going to bring it through the dowels, and we're going to twist. Some people say bottoms up. Whatever works for you. Now we're going to separate these because we're going to get ready to tie our bow off, and we want to make sure we have what we need. Cut it off. Grab our zip tie and our chenille stem. Bring our bow up to the tip. Well, we're going to dovetail some more ends. We just fold them together and we cut on the oblique, slanted upward. And it gives a really pretty look. Polished look, finished look. I apologize, you guys. My German Shepherd wants to go outside. So anyway, we take our zip tie and we're going to pull it together and insert our chenille stem. We're not going to pull it taut just yet. We're going to measure our chenille stem to make sure that we have equal lengths so that we can get a nice secure pull here, and we'll have equal lengths to tie it onto our project, because that's how we're going to attach it using the chenille stem. We're going to fluff this bow up a little bit to get it looking really nice and pretty. And then we're going to take our diagonal cutters and we're going to cut our chenille stem off once we have everything looking the way that we would like it. And here's a final look at our project. If you liked today's video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. And if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.